In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect audio mixer to OBS Studio and the settings you need for a perfect recording. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For this setup, I'm going to be using a 4-channel audio mixer. You can use any brand, Yamaha or any brand, but I'm going to be using this professional audio mixer. It has 4-channel inputs. For system that has only one jack in, I'm going to be using this divider. This divider has both mic in and headphone, so you can connect both your headphone and mic. And lastly, I'm going to be using this mini jack to AV to connect the audio from the audio out of the mixer into my system. Click the link in the description to purchase any of these products, or click the link in the pinned comment to purchase the product. This is my headphone. On this mini divider, I'm going to connect the jack in from the mixer into the mic symbol here. You are going to see the symbol on it. Next, I'm going to connect my headphone on the earpiece out and plug it into my system. So to get in audio into my audio mixer, I'm already playing audio from another device, so I'm just going to connect it on channel 4. And now, as you can see, audio is coming in to the mixer. Next, I'm going to connect the jack to AV from my system into the main output AV on the mixer. Next, let's configure the audio settings on the system. Now on your system, just right click on the audio icon, go to sound, and now on sound, click on recording. And now, as you can see, we already have audio input on the system, and as you can see, it's moving here. So to configure it, just double click on it and go to listing. Now on listing, enable listing to this device. Now click on the default playback device and select headphone, because my headphone is connected to the system. So I'm just going to click on apply. Next, move to level, and from the level you can reduce the volume or increase the volume. So I'm just going to increase the volume a little bit. I'm just going to leave it on 80 because I'm going to be using my mixer to regulate the audio. Next, move to advanced, and now on advanced, click on this and move to 2-channel 24-bit 48,000. So I'm just going to click on it and click on apply. So I'm just going to click on yes, and now I've successfully configured the audio settings. Next, let's move to OBS Studio and configure the audio. In OBS Studio, click on settings, and on settings, move to audio, and now on the sample bitrate in OBS Studio, we're going to set it to 48 because the sample rate on the audio settings is also set to 48. Next, to add in the audio on OBS Studio, I'm just going to disable the desktop audio and now move to mic, and now on mic audio, click on it and select external microphone. That is the mic in that is connected to the system. So I'm just going to select it and click on apply. Next, move to output and move to audio. Now on audio, set it to 160 and click on OK. And now, as you can see, we have successfully added audio in OBS Studio. To do the final settings, just click on the 3-dot icon on the mic, move to advanced, make sure you select monitor and output so that your audio can come out perfectly. So just click on it and click on close. So now I'm going to show you how to monitor to make sure your audio is not too harsh, especially when playing in music. If you don't reduce the volume, the audio will be too harsh and it will spoil your recording. I'm just going to increase the volume here. Now on the audio mixer in OBS, you will see that whenever the audio is too loud, it will be showing red. So to make sure that your audio is not too harsh, make sure you reduce it. And make sure the audio bar is on green and a little bit of yellow, but make sure it doesn't cross yellow going into red. Whenever it cross yellow going into red, your audio will be too harsh in the ear and it will spoil your recording. So make sure that you reduce it, and also make sure whenever you are recording, have a device or you can use headphone to monitor your audio to make sure that the audio is not too harsh in your recording. And with these settings, you'll be able to achieve a perfect audio in your live stream and recording in OBS Studio. And if you want to purchase any of these products used in this video, make sure you click the link below to purchase it from Amazon or AliExpress. Do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. My name is Ebenezer from OBS Studio. See you in my next video.